We spend 48 hours a week together. We sleep at the station together. I spend probably more time than I do with my family. So you do create quite a special bond with everyone. I was always brought up quite not a tough family, but it was always, you never showed emotion or anything like that. So I don't even remember my dad asking for help, and I just don't think I've ever needed or asked for help. I've always dealt with everything myself, That's what we do as a firefighter. We go out of our way to help, put your life on the line to save others. But I'm quite willing to do that, and I'd much rather do that than talk about me. I'd much rather help people than do that sort of stuff. I came back from overseas to join the fire department. I just thought it would be something to get back into that group environment. I love the army, I loved all the guys, and we had 30 guys in our platoon. We'd always go to get out together, we'd live together, we'd do everything. I want to do that again. You're never by yourself, which I find really hard. I don't like being by myself. I'd much rather be around mates or other people and everything like that. I just get not so much bored. I just like being around people and everything like that. So that's why I think why the teams and the jobs that I do and everything like that supports that. So you're sort of not looking for help, but the help's there. As you said, it's always there. You got your mate to talk to, and that comfort knowing that someone's behind you to help you if you do get in trouble. It's like in a fire, when you get in trouble, your mate's always number two's there to help you, sort of thing. So it's the same sort of scenario, I suppose.